Good evening, I'm Coach Robinson, and this is the 7th grade mathematical curriculum course. Today's lesson for 7th grade will be on prime and composite numbers. A prime number is a number that only has two factors, one in itself, and a composite number is a number that have many factors that can divide evenly into a number without leaving a remainder. So now that we understand what a prime number is, let's list the prime numbers between 1 and 31. Okay, well, we know the number 1 is a prime nor a composite number because it's the number 1 and it only has one factor, which is 1. So we don't count the number 1 as prime nor composite. Okay, so the prime numbers between 1 and 31, let's list 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 23, 29, and 31 itself. Now, what you notice about all these numbers, they don't have any factors. They're only divisible between 1 and itself. So if you notice, all of these numbers don't share common factors. They don't have any factors outside of 1 in itself. This is how you're able to identify a prime number if it doesn't have any factors besides 1 in itself. Composite numbers are numbers with factors, and factors are numbers that can divide into a number without leaving a remainder. So 8, 16, and 24 are all composite numbers. Let's list the factors. For the number 8, it'll be 2 and 4. For the number 16, 2, 4, 24, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12. These are all composite numbers because all of these numbers have factors that can divide into the number without leaving a remainder. Okay? So for 8, 2, and 4, for 16, 2, 4, and 8, and for 24, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, and 12. I'm going to list prime and composite numbers, and we're going to identify if the numbers have factors or not, determining if they're prime or composite numbers. So I have 64, 97, 18, 45, 22, and 59. Okay, so now let's list the factors. For 64, we have 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. The number 97 is only divisible by 1 in itself, meaning this is a prime number. Just write prime, okay? The number 18, okay? 2, 3, 6, and 9. These are numbers that can divide into 18 without leaving a remainder, okay? The number 45, let's go 3, 5, 9, and the number 15. Okay. For the number 22, that'll be 2 and 11. And the number 59 is only divisible by 1 in itself, therefore resulting in a prime number. So this concludes the 7th grade mathematical curriculum course. The next lesson, we will go into prime factorization, and we're going to deal with factor trees. If you need a worksheet, any tutoring on this subject or any others, I can be reached at unityservice216@gmail.com and the Instagram account unitytutors216. Thank you. You have a good evening.